Pasko sa ating puso? Ano yung pinaka-memorable na song na tumatak sa inyo?
Ako po yung second line, yung may bawal na makulay, sumasayaw sa labi. Ayan, kaya excited ako na makanta to para marinig nyo yung buong letra ng kanta na isinulat ni Atty. Ray Vergado. But that line reminds me of my childhood when we celebrate Christmas. Because meron lang kami dati sa bahay ng Christmas light and mga parol lang. We never had the big Christmas tree at home kasi maliit na yung bahay namin. Kaya yun yung tumatak sa akin, yung that line.
Ako yung sa Pasko yung muling darating yung kahit na anong unos, kahit na anong ay liwanag ay sisikat, magliliwanag din ng mundo, yung pinakagusto ko doon. Kahit pagkatapos ng unos, ang araw ay sisikat, magliliwanag din ang mundo. Pasko yung muling darating, may pagkasang dala sa atin, yung pinakagusto.
Last question, any Christmas plans po?
Well, sa band, the usual kasi meron kaming yearly Christmas party together and kasama namin din yung family ng bawat isa. And yung may extended family kasi yung band, may mga bands din na nakapaligid sa amin. Lahat yung kasama din. And of course, on Christmas Day, siyempre, as much as possible, should be a family day. Pero most of the time, yearly, meron din dumarating na tugtog sa amin yan. Christmas and New Year. So, yun, ganun ang Pasko namin taon-taon. Masaya, at the same time, feeling blessed with Christmas season.
Alright. Last na lang po. Anong Christmas wish niyo po for 2026?
Wish mo yung sinabi ni Atty. Sana maging successful yung mga songs na nirelease natin. And next year may i-release kami ulit. So sana same rin, mangyayari din sa mga nangyaring songs na ginawa natin.
Right?
Yeah, same as well kasi we put too much hard work sa mga ginawa naming songs. So, ayan ang number one prayer ko right now na magkaroon kami ng hit song. Yun lang. And syempre, yung samahan namin because we're not band members lang, magkakaibigan eh. We're already a family. Kasama yung mga family din namin, alam mo yun. So, really about
Sa akin naman yung health. Kasi syempre araw-araw kami nasa labas. We play almost every day. Araw-araw. So, good health for everyone.
Sa akin, success for everyone.
Alright, congratulations.
Happy birthday, Andy!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Anong wish mo?
Sana tumangkad ako.
Acknowledge ko lang yung representative from Cinema Bravo, si Marlu. And I think makahabula sa TV5 si Bon Belinario. And abangan niyo sila sa 24 sa Christmas Eve na meron pa silang booking sa TV5. TV5 sila sa The Vibe Up ng TV5. So nandun sila, katayin nila yung kanilang 2 Christmas songs. Ayan. So I think wala na tayong pagpaparinig. Meron pala. This is Candice Faye from Push.com.
Hello, good afternoon. Ano na lang as a band, what are you grateful for this year? Ano yung pinagpapasalamatan?
Well, ako, sobrang nagpapasalamat ako that we're still here kasi 2020 has been very challenging for us. We have major change. Of course, bago yung singer namin just came in last April. And we went through some pains and challenges. Kasi syempre, mahirap yun, magpalit ka ng program. And we had to reorganize the band, reconfigure the band para to answer yung mga trend ngayon. And ayun, sobrang pasalamat ko. We're still here in front of you and we're still making music. Kasi aside from the 2 Christmas songs, we released lots of songs this year. Since April, nakapag-release na kami ng 11 songs. The latest of which was the EP Shadows under Universal Under UMG Philippines, yes.
Ang pahabol daw sa rider.
Yung nakita kong post, yung kasama niyo si Jay Burgas, are you collaborating with him or South Parker?
Hindi kasi most of us, mga riders din, nagmumotor kami. So, meron kaming musiko moto club, kasama doon si Jay, si Mitoy, and all the other, si Jet Pangan, di ba? Yes. So, every now and then, we do rides together and have breakfast together. So, yun lang yun. But kung lalampas pa yun, who knows, di ba?
Yan. Bon, na Belinaryo of News 5, baka may habol ka dahil kailangan mo ng content.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Congratulations on your single launch. Tama ba? Nag-guest na kayo sa Vibe?
Yes, nag-guest kami sa Vibe Up and we also played sa main stage. We played yung Sayaw sa Ilalim ng Buwan. And on December 24 sa Christmas special ng Vibe Up, kami yung special guest.
Yeah. So far, how's the experience?
Sobrang overwhelming. In fact, to be honest, yung Spotify namin, yung digital, sobrang umangat after the guesting namin. So, thank you TV5 and Vibe.
Yes, thank you.
And siguro po yung next question is, what are the things that we can look forward to sa banda this 2026? Ano mga pasabog ng banda?
Okay, magre-release kami ng mas magaganda pang mga kanta. We believe na yung lalabas namin, mas kinasaya namin eh. So, we hope na mas magugustuhan ng mga makikinig.
Thank you po.
Ayan, siguro maraming salamat sa ating mga media friends sa pagdalo nyo ngayon. Napaka-intimate lang ng ating media call ngayon. So ngayon, it's time para madinig na ng inner voices to us. May message daw muna. Attorney Ray, message daw sa ating mga fans, supporters.
I would like to invite everyone to listen to our songs. Nag-release po kami ng maraming kanta sa digital, Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music, and other digital platforms. Nag-release po kami noong April ng 4 na kanta, and again, nag-release kami sa under the record ng EP namin na Shadow. Nagdalaman ng tulungan tayo. Re-release last October, a Christmas anthem under Standard Music, under ABS-CBN Music, the title is Pasko sa Ating Puso. And now, and tomorrow, we'll be releasing another Christmas song under UMG Records. Pasko yung muling darating. Nawa po ay tangilikin po yung mga music namin. Ito po ay talagang resulta ng dugot pawis namin at bago at inspiration na patuloy yung suporta sa amin. And we'd like everyone to follow our page, Inner Voices sa YouTube, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And please follow us sa mga live performance namin. We perform here at Hard Rock Makati every Thursday, Hard Rock Manila on Saturdays. On Fridays, we play at Bar 9 and we have shows at 90s, Noctos, and Pier 1.
So, siguro it's time para iparinig na sa ating media friends ang inyong